Hey and good morning. In this video we are going to be running Alpha 1 Trader. This is a free binary option robot that you get completely for free with link about the video at X and below the video at YouTube. Okay. Also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose a video just like this one. So I will now start up this Alpha 1 Trader that you find here. I will take a few trades. I will also show you how I set it up and all this good stuff. So let's get started. So when you start up this bot, it will look something like this. So we push this hide button up there. I will now choose which chart we're going to trade. I will also choose timeline and all this good stuff. So let's see. Takes a little time to load up. Let's see which one is best right now. Let's take euro against dollar and we select this one there. Okay, then when that one up here you choose between real and demo. So for example, if you want demo, you push demo there, then you go down and you choose demo there. In this video we will use real, so back to real up there and just like that. Closing time is 5 seconds. Let's keep it at that. You see that in the bottom there, bottom right. So now go over, we push show in the top left corner again there. The amount we're going to trade, let's put that to, let's say, $75. So now we have $75. Multiplier, we have a 2 steps. Let's put to 4. I use 4 or 5 typically. Let's just use the first strategies. All of them are pretty good actually. And then it's basically just to push the start button and we can get started. So it's that easy actually. So let's do that now. Now let's take a couple of trades. He's have a trade open now, as you can see in the bottom there now. Here, I see my finger there. Now he's taking a trade. You see he lost now the first trade. So you can see now that we are minus $75. Today is a Saturday, by the way. So now let's see. He will now take one more trade. There you can see. Sometimes you take 2 trades if you see a good opportunity. So you can see now we are at 6-7 win rate. Let's take one more trade and we stop. So let's see here now. And there you have it. We got 4 trades, 3 winners and 1 loss. Like I said, sometimes he can take a couple of trades in one. So this was pretty good. Now we can go back to our setup here and you can see our balance. Need to wait again, a little slow. It's because you choose in between different type of setups. When you use the bot, use a different setup. So now you can see the balance did grow a little. So maybe you can see the trades here also. Let's see. There, deals, and here you can see it. There you can see the last few trades we did take up there now. So you can see all of them here for 25 today. So how cool is that? So that's basically how this works. I hope you enjoy this type of videos. So you can see we got 3 winners, 1 loss, 75% win rate, $262. That is pretty good in a Saturday morning. Have not even drinking my coffee yet. So another thing I want to ask you, make sure you subscribe to the channel if it's on X or if it's here at YouTube. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, make some comments if you have questions. I reply to every single question both on X and at YouTube. So with that, have an amazing day.